Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Achievers Adda platform. So UGC NET June 2025 50 days crash course we are launching, which is the final NET JRF Manjil and final NET JRF preparation for the June 2025 examination. Please do watch this video for a 10 minutes so that you will be able to understand what are the things which are going to be there in this 50 days program and what will be the pricing at a very lower price only we kept it. So just to be make it useful for many members. So in this course, we are going to do the revision live sessions as well as previous year question recorded and live session and CBD test series. Many things are going to be available. I'll explain in detail and what are the things that we can do in this 15 days to increase the opportunity to get into the JRF. So those are for the first time people, please you can join into our Telegram group. And after watching this video, if you feel it is beneficial, you can subscribe to this channel also and make a note of our helpline number, which is a WhatsApp number, and download the app for the accessibility to the free courses as well as the paid courses. Sir, if you look at first component of our preparation is the theoretical, the paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus that we need to complete it usually. Many people who are the repeaters, who have already appeared for the examination and prepared for the last December 2024, that is January 25 examination, and they are the repeaters, they are now actually requiring a revision as well as a previous year question. Who have started the preparation for this examination, almost you might have completed your preparation by 90 percentage by this time. So for you also, you require a revision as well as a practice of recent previous year question. So for this only the previous year question we have brought up in this course is that for a paper 1 and for a paper 2 commerce, for a paper 2 management. For a paper 1, we are covering almost a 4 recent previous year question. Everything on a topic wise basis we are going to explain, and we have already explained and completed some of the units in this. So paper 1 previous year question on a unit wise basis with explanation classes with explanation PDF. June 2023 previous year questions of 9 shifts and December 2023 of 17 shifts and June 2024 renet examination 17 shifts, December 2024 almost 16 shifts are there. So put together you will be having almost 57 question papers. Everything will be on a topic wise basis, properly segregated one with a proper explanation classes. And once you can understand these recent trend of the question, you are going to get a new concept as well as a old theoretical concepts put together. You are going to understand all the previous year questions. It is not just a question to the answer, it is a explanation of the question, conceptual clarity of every question. That is at most important, and we have explained in that way only for the paper 1 and paper 2 also, paper 2 commerce and management. And when it comes to the paper 1, there is a unit 5 mathematical reasoning and aptitude, unit 7 which is data interpretation. For this Thursday to every week, Thursday to Sunday, every day 8 to 9 p.m. Rama ma'am will be taking up a paper 1 mathematics and data interpretation proper from daily it is happening. From now onwards, daily it is happening. So you will be having a practice of this maths and DI every day till the examination so that we are covering up 20 marks, 10 questions of 5 questions of MR and 5 questions of DI. Total 10 questions, 20 marks. That practice also regularly it is going to happen. You can attend that in a live session. And whatever the PYQs already completed, you can complete them by the 31st of May. Whatever the PYQs that we are adding, please try to complete them for a paper 1 and paper 2. Commerce and Management 2019 to 2025 January. Properly from a topic wise 19 to 25, because this is a time period which NTA conducted. So all the papers of commerce, all the papers of management we are covering in this particular commerce and management paper 2. Many already 7 units have been completed, and remaining 3 units will be doing in a live session, and whatever completed you can pause them in a recorded for the PYQ. After completing this one, the revision sessions are most important. Once, why I'm keeping a PYQs first, because you have to understand the questions. Based on that PYQ, we are going to the revision. We are going in a reverse approach, not the theory to PYQ, because this course is a crash course. Already many people have got the clarity of the theory. Whatever the theory is there, based on that, you apply it on the PYQ. And from the PYQ, you try to learn many new conceptual clarity as well as the old things, how to apply in the PYQ. Understand the trend of each and every previous year question, each and every topic, which top inside of one unit, which topic is being asked more, and how many times it is getting repeated. What are the factual things that you need to make a note in our notebook? So whenever you are doing a PYQs of paper 1 or paper 2, when new concepts come, please make a note of that one. We emphasize whenever we are explaining, and we also made a note of it. Please try to maintain your own notes also for the new learning points. And when it comes to the revision live sessions are going to happen from the 1st of June 2025 onwards. So total 20 days, 20 days from the 1st June onwards, 1st June to 20 days. Every day, like unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10 will be there for a paper 1 and paper 2. In that unit 3, reading comprehension, we are not going to do anything for that. Unit 5 as well as unit 7, which is data interpretation and MR. So daily 8 p.m. Ramya ma'am is already taking that part. So that practice is going on. Remaining 7 units are there. Every unit will take a 3 days marathon. Means that 3 days I'll keep a marathon every day, 2 hours to 2.5 hours. The class will happen to complete that one unit, including the new topics revision also will happen for the paper 1. So total 21 days. We have a 20 days in hand. More or less, I'll complete within 20 days only. Within 20 days only, we'll try to complete paper 1 revision of the 7 units. And paper 2 commerce or management, whatever the 10 units are there, we are going to do 2 days. 1 unit per 2 days. 1 unit for every 2 days. 1 unit for every 2 days. Sir, you are saying paper 1 3 days you are taking, but here will take a less time. And here every day we may take 3 hours to 3.5 hours for a paper 2 and 2 to 2.5 hours for paper 1. Like that, more time for a paper 2 only we are going to keep, as it is a lengthy in nature. So that in a 20 days, or else if we get a 5 days extra by keeping a commerce and management date in mind, if we get that one, we will be utilizing that also to add on something, any extra things need to cover. We will explain that also. Before the examination, everything will get complete. And apart from this, you are going to get a revision with a chart-wise presentation. Chart-wise presentation, the charts also will be provided in a PDF form to you. And apart from this, CBT mock test is more important. In paper 1, total 41 mock tests are there, which is with explanation. 41 tests are there with explanation. And in paper 2, commerce, total 27 tests are there. And paper 2, management, 10 tests are there. Everything will be as per the NTA original real interface, and that too with the explanation it is going to be there. With explanation it is going to be there. NTA, real exam pattern, same interface with explanation of each and every question after the test is completed. That is how I designed entire course. So this course fee details and the components I explained. The fee details are, for this 50 days crash course, the validity will be 90 days. We are keeping wantedly the validity high. So 24 percentage discount on the original fee of 4,299 for the paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, or paper 1 and paper 2 management. Both put together it is 4,299. But till the 12th of May, 24 percentage discount we are going to keep it here. You can enter the code NET JRF. Automatically it will be visible on your course once you go into the app. I will show you how to access to the course also for making a payment in the app itself. For a paper 1, once you apply this code, you will get a 3,267 for both papers, this entire complete course, whatever that I explained. Test series, PYQs, and the revision live sessions as well as recording. Right? And only paper 1 that after 2,499, but after a 24 percentage discount, 1,899 only it will be there for a only paper, single paper, either a paper 1 or paper 2. So if you can watch this one, then it will be, you will be able to understand. Just you can just see. If you can watch this video, I will show you. So in this, first you need to go to this UGC NET tab. Once you enter into this UGC NET tab, inside the app after the registration, after downloading. Once you log in, just click on this UGC tab. You can able to see paper 1, paper 2 commerce, paper 1, paper 2 management, only paper 1, only paper 2, like that it is there. So once you click on any one course, then you will be able to see there is a discount option. If you click on buy now, there is a 24% automatically the code is visible. Once you click on this code, then it will show you the payment details that automatically 3,267 the discount is coming. So once the 3,267 is there, if you click on a pay online, it will take you through with the payment gateway. You can choose any payment gateway, whatever you want. And here there are options which are available in payment gateway. That is uh, EMI option is there, credit card, debit card, UPI payments, phone pay, Google Pay, all are available. You can choose that one accordingly. And after that, if you want to watch a demo classes, just click on any one particular course, click on the demo. You can able to see the recently completed classes. We are making some of the classes in a demo. So you can watch them. If you're satisfied, then only, and how the paid content is there, you can see it is in a log form. So in this course, 33 videos and 4 files are there, which is a topic wise explanation. Sometimes this number may show wrong, but whatever the contents are there, it will be on a topic wise basis PYQs, and revision live session will be from the 1st of June. It will be visible in this folder. Like that for every unit, every paper, it will be visible like that only. And once your payment is done, this is for a paper 2. For a paper 2 commerce, we added a management PYQ also. For a paper 2 management, we added a commerce PYQ also, which are common. Almost 70 to 75% syllabus is common between the commerce and management. That is why sometimes they are copying and pasting the PYQs of commerce in the management, management in the commerce. So that is why we are adding the PYQs in a crisscross manner, right? So if you have any doubts, you can just let me know. I will explain all those doubts in a comment section, or else you can have our number. You can WhatsApp us. We will happy to clear each and every doubt before joining into the course, right? Make a schedule like from today onwards till the 31st of May. Whatever we have added, try to complete all those PYQs so that by 31st May, we are going to complete all the previous year questions. From the 1st June onwards, your mind is tuned according to the recent papers, and our revision also will go on that recent papers trend only. Whatever the new topics are there, I'll be emphasizing more on that revision sessions. Right? Thank you so much. If you like this, please do hit a like button and share with your friends who are looking for the UGC NET courses in a English medium. Specifically, English medium people are facing very much difficulty. That is why our courses only in English medium, not in Hindi medium. Thank you so much. Bye to all. Have a great day.